Hi, I'm Geordie from GG Interiors, and I've recently completed this beautiful West Pennant Hills project with Novalé, and I'd like to invite you in to have a look. Welcome to the master ensuite. So in this space, we've really focused on creating a bit of a sanctuary for mum and dad. So we've brought in a bath and a large double shower. We have used a range of Sussex tapware, which is Australian made, and this particular design is a Reese exclusive. We've finished it in a tumbled brass, and that's going to patina over time and become more beautiful as it ages. So welcome to the girls' bathroom. So in this space, we wanted to create, again, a little bit more of a sanctuary feel for a young girl to come and escape her brothers. So we have put in a bath and a beautiful twin shower for her. So in this space, we've used a swivel spout just so it can easily be pushed out of the way and not bump little heads. So in the powder room downstairs, we've used the Jimmy Radin Aubrey lights. These lights feel a bit like a whiskey glass. They're a bit sexy, and that's the reason why we chose them.